Hi guys, it's been a while since I did my last video, so I thought I would share some more knowledge, and this is going to seem maybe very simple for some, but very frustrating for others. And it's a simple task of how to get a video off your WhatsApp and onto the computer and possibly onto YouTube. So yes, what you're going to need to do is log on to your WhatsApp on your desktop. Now, if you don't know how to do that, I will be doing a video purely on that. This is for those that have got WhatsApp desktop. What you need to start off by doing is going to that video in that WhatsApp message. Now, I do have an amazing video from my friend Mandy, who has asked me to publish this video on one of our clients' YouTube channels. So let's take a look at the video. Let's click on it and let's take a look. Oh, that was an amazing video. Lovely, lovely, lovely video. Yes, so we want to get that one onto the computer. Now, when you're looking at the screen, some things pop out at you, some very obvious, some not. Where I'm looking at, the first thing that popped out at me was the three little dots. And when I clicked on it, it said download. I did this and I landed up getting very, very frustrated because it didn't download a music file, MP3, AVI. It didn't do it. So, yes, I wanted to throw the computer out the window. I held myself back. I didn't do it. Breathe, calm down. There's another option, a very, very simple option. All you need to do is go to this little guy here with the arrow pointing downwards and click on that. You will see your video. Yay! It's downloading your MP4 video. So yes, now that's on the computer and it is sitting right over here in my downloads folder. What we want to do now is go to our YouTube channel, which I've already logged into, and we need to upload this video. All we need to do is go to this little plus on the camera, click on it, and click on upload video. Very, very simple. On screen prompts, click on the big red arrow and then select your video. And the video will start downloading onto the YouTube channel. Now we want to give it some juice and we want to tell people what this video is about. So what I've done is I have gone to the Facebook page with a post all about this event happening next Saturday at the village table. And I've copied the text. I'm going to paste it into the description. And we're going to tell people a little bit more so that Google can find us. Here we go. And let's enter a date in there. Let's cut and paste. There we go. And good idea to add some tags so that when you Google, you have the chance of being seen. Let's add a few tags people are possibly searching for. Supercars. Right, there we go, and we're ready to publish. Let's go for it. Let's hit the publish button, and voila, we're done. We're ready to share. So that's it. Look out for some more videos. I'll be sharing that video on how to get your WhatsApp onto your computer. So, guys, have a great week and see you soon.